set, ready to race. Final race for tonight. Gates open, they're up and racing sharp. Cookie draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners, Chapel Guard and down on the inside is entry number 1, and that's Livingstone. Together is Honor Rash. Then in between runners, moving up to take fourth is Stormy Norman. Then followed by Happy Morning, moving up My Treasure. Early Greeting running in between those two. Then followed by Deadly Storm as they race towards the last 600 with Honor Rash. Now the leader by about a length and a half is Stormy Norman, moving up on the outside. Chapel Guard is running by the rail third. My Treasure getting closer in fourth, moving up to take peep on the outside. Early Greeting, then comes Livingstone. Happy Morning also closing in as they turn for home. Chapel Guard, only the fifth choice now, takes command by about a length and a half. Honor Rash shuffle back in second. Early Greeting by the rail, Stormy Norman. And down the stretch, leading the finish line, it's Chapel Guard by about a length and a half. Honor Rash once again on the outside. My Treasure, it's Chapel Guard, Honor Rash on the outside, and finally Chapel Guard close with Honor Rash is Stormy Norman. Then comes My Treasure, Happy Morning, and El Bimbo for your Super 6.
Okay, meron